Hello students, today we are going to study about fractures from science chapter number 7, safety and first aid. So what is meant by fractures? So breaking of bones is called fracture. Breaking of bones is called fracture. Falls or other accidents may cause fractures. Even a fall from a staircase sometimes cause fracture. Even a fall from staircase means what? Steps. Even a fall from steps sometimes causes fracture. There are two main types of fractures, simple fracture and compound fracture. So let's see they are having two types of fractures. First is a simple fracture, second is a compound fracture. So let's see about simple fracture. Only the bone breaks and the surrounding tissue and muscles are not damaged. So in this fracture, only the bone breaks and the surrounding tissue are not damaged. So this fracture is called simple fracture. Second is a compound fracture. A bone breaks and the surrounding tissues and muscles also get damaged. They may be bleeding as well. The broken pieces of a bone may separate completely. So this called is a compound fracture. So student, in simple fracture there is not having bleeding. Okay, but in a compound fracture they are having bleeding from the body. Okay, so this fracture is called compound fracture. Means a bone breaks and the surrounding tissues and muscles also damage. They may be bleeding as well, and the broken pieces of a bone may separate completely. So fracture also have two types. First is a simple fracture, second is a compound fracture. The most common symptoms of a fracture is swelling and pain around the injured area. Correct? Then what is the main symptom of the fracture? Swelling means सूजन आती है. Okay, जब फ्रैक्चर होता है हाथ में या लेग में तो फर्स्ट क्या होती है? स्वेलिंग आती है, सूजन आती है एंड पेन अराउंड द इंजर्ड एरिया. और पेन भी होता है, जहां पे लगा हुआ है वहां पे पेन होता है. The pain becomes worse when the injured part is moved or pressed. The only way to confirm a fracture is by taking on X-ray. So how you understood? Then you have a fracture in your bone by only X-ray. When you take the X-ray of your fractured part, then you will know that is which type of fracture. Okay. Then first aid for fracture. So first is the broken bone should be immobilized, not be allowed to move. Immobilized means what? When you get a fracture, that time you don't move your fracture part. It is important to immobilize the area both above and below the injured bone. A splint may be used to tie the bones. Rolls of newspaper, a ruler or a stick can be used as a splint. Splint, see, this is a splint. Okay, so a splint may be used to tie the bones. Rolls of newspaper, a ruler or a stick can be used as a splint. In an arm is broken, it can be put in a sling for additional support. If your arm is broken, see, then the arm can be put in the sling for additional support. If a leg is broken, some padding can be put between the legs and the broken leg can be tied to the good leg. The injured leg should preferably be raised above the level of the heart. This can be done by placing pillows under the leg. Then second is ice packs can be wrapped around the injured area to reduce pain and swelling. So when you get a fracture in your body part, then what you have to do? You have to take a ice and that then ice wrapped around the injured area. Then what will happen? Reduce pain and the swelling. Call a doctor as soon as possible. Do not move the injured person as movement can make the fracture worse. Do not apply pressure to compound fracture to stop the bleeding. Do not massage the injured area. Okay. So next is the bites and stings. Snakes bites and insects bites or stings can cause intense pain and or swelling. See, when honeybee bites or snake bites, then what will happen? We will cause intense pain and swelling also. If not treated promptly and correctly, these bites or stings may lead to the death. Correct? When snake bite to us, if you not get the proper treatment, then it led to be death. So first aid for snake bite. If a person bitten by a snake, follow the steps given on the following page as first aid. First, keep the bitten part of the body lower than the heart. Okay. When snake bite, then what you have to do? You have to keep the bitten part of the body lower than the heart. Second is, it is important to stop the flow of blood to the heart. To do this, tie a bandage as tight as you can just above the bitten part. Then what you have to do, when snake bite on your hand, then you have to tie a bandage as tight as above the bitten part. Third, clean the bitten area with soap and water. Do not try to suck blood from the bite. Do not try to suck blood from the bite. मूवी में आपने देखा होगा, when any person when a snake bite to any person, then another person suck the blood from the bite, but it is very dangerous, it is very harmful. So do not use any ointment. Call an ambulance, rush the person to the hospital. Okay. When snake bite to any person, then what you have to do first? Directly call an ambulance and rush the person to the hospital. Then first aid for insect sting. Insect sting means when honeybees bites or sting, then what care should we have to take? That is given in this topic. So insects such as bees, scorpions and wasps can sting people. The two greatest risks from most insect stings are allergic reaction and infection. When insects stings or insects bite to us, then we are form any allergy and some reaction or any infection. So follow the steps at first aid for insect stings. First, some insects may leave their stings behind. Pull out the sting carefully. So the insects have a pointed sting. When insect bite, then they leave their sting behind in our hand or in our leg. So what you have to do? You have to pull out the sting carefully. तो हमें क्या करना है? जो उनका स्टिंग है, जो हमारे हाथ में लगा होगा, वो डायरेक्टली हमें निकालना है. Wash the affected area with soap and water. Put some ice on the bite or wash it with cold water to reduce swelling and pain, and consult a doctor. So student, so these are the first aid for insect sting, for the snake bite and for the fracture. So student, you have to follow all these first aid. Okay, and here we have completed science chapter number 7, safety and first aid. So see, choose the correct answer. Dash is the most common symptom of fracture. Swelling is the most common symptom of fracture. X-ray is the only way to confirm a fracture. A bandage is tightly tied above the bitten area for a snake bite. Okay. So students, solve these and solve question number 1, 2 and 1 and 2 in your textbook. Okay, and read all these lesson again and complete your homework. Thank you students.